Spaghetti isn't just for meatballs. Come with me. We're going to make some chicken spaghetti. It's an easy recipe. It don't take long, and you can stretch it a long way. So it feeds a lot of people if you need be. First off, I've got a 6-quart stock pot, and I've put 2 large chicken breasts in there with salt, pepper, garlic, and I cooked that for about 30 minutes until the chicken was done. And then I took the breast out, and there was bone in. So I took the bones off and the skin, shredded it, and I've got it right here. I've got 2 cups of shredded chicken to go in the casserole. And then I filled my stock pot back up with water because I'm going to cook the spaghetti in there so I can get that good rich chicken flavor on the spaghetti. We don't want to waste that good stock. And I didn't quite use a whole spaghetti bag. I've cut my spaghetti up. I broke it into 3 pieces like this. You know, they're not very long. And we'll put it in the stock pot, and we're going to boil that for about 5 minutes until it's al dente. Then we're going to take our mushroom soup. We're going to add that chopped up onion. We're going to add the 8 ounces of I went ahead and chopped up the mushrooms a little bit. Drained those mushrooms because canned mushrooms are, they got water. And then we're going to put our 2 cups of cheddar cheese in there. And we're going to mix that till it all mixed together. I guess we're going to start off with about a cup of stock. Get that good mixed. When you cook your chicken, you can use boneless chicken. Save you from, you know, having to debone it. I've got a teaspoon of garlic, black pepper, salt, and cayenne pepper. We'll put that in there. And then we're going to add it to our chicken. And we're just gonna wait on I got a half cup reserved for my top, put cheese on top. We're gonna wait on our pasta to boil for a few minutes, and then we'll finish mixing it. This chicken spaghetti dish, I'm pretty sure I got it from a lady I used to work for. I've given it out to a lot of people in the family, and everybody seems to like it. Sometimes it's hard to keep up with where you get recipes. We're going to put the casserole in a 13x9 pan, which I've sprayed with cooking spray so it won't stick. Now I've got that ready, and we'll be back shortly. I drained my spaghetti, and I cooked it about 5 minutes, I guess. And I poured it in my bowl, and then we're going to mix it all together. Okay, I'm going to pour it in the casserole dish. Sprinkle the remaining cheese on top. And we're going to put her in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. And I used about this half of this carton of chicken stock. This is what it looks like, normal recipe, but we've got an add-on to it, Ritz crackers crushed up. We're going to take you just crush up some Ritz crackers, and we're going to spread them on top of the cheese. We tried this, and it's delicious. You know, just something different to change it up a little bit. You don't have to add anything because Ritz, you know, they already have the buttery taste. We're going to bake this as normal, and we'll show it to you after we get it out of the oven. We've taken this chicken spaghetti out of the oven, and it looks delicious. It has that cracker crumb topping on it. It's golden brown. It looks delicious. So I hope you try this. Ooh, it's hot. And as always, God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.